Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on which time you're checking in to World Literature, English 202, and this is Summer Session B for the summer of 2013, and I am your instructor, Dr. Leslie Chilton, and I am the face behind the voice that you will be hearing on the narrated PowerPoints. If I look a little uncomfortable, it's because this is the first time I've ever recorded an introduction like this, and I know that I will be constantly glancing at my notes, so please forgive me. I'm going to be giving you some guidelines and some encouragement for this class. First of all, the guidelines for our 6-week class can be found on course guidelines, and these course guidelines will give you an idea about what is coming your way. We have weekly units. Each weekly unit is composed of discussion boards, narrated PowerPoint lectures, questions to answer, and I will also tell you that in the future we have a 5-page paper coming up, and we will discuss that as the time comes up. What is the best advice I can give you about this 6-week literature course of this summer? My first best advice is to keep up on a weekly unit. Now, I do keep the discussion boards and the journals open. However, I keep this open as a convenience for the students. If a student chooses to wait till the very end to try to do everything, I assure you it never works out very well. So keep up from week to week. That's my best advice. Now, other advice I can give you about this class is to, well, embrace your inner world literature. Now, I know that you will be a little fearful when you pick up the textbook because it is very big. However, we are going to be reading very selectively. And the selections are meant to expose you to a variety of voices in the world. And some of the texts that we will be reading this summer range from men and women's voices, poets and philosophers. We are going to be reading an African novelist. We are going to be reading a Japanese haiku master. We're going to be reading the words of a slave girl in pre-Civil War America. These works have been chosen in order, again, to expose you to a variety of voices in a variety of times and eras, and it will help you to understand how different we all are, and yet at the same time how similar we all are too. And if there is one good way to sum up the study of literature, including this class, is we study literature in order to understand what it means to be human. So again, welcome to English 202, and I hope you will enjoy your journey in the summer of 2013. Thanks.